Hey everybody, so I am here not with the primary winner, but with the second winner because the first winner did not respond. So you're the follow. You're here though.
I'll take a win in overtime anytime.
And you are here for this thing. This is the wet belt sander. We're gonna load this guy up into your truck, and this is coming home with you.
It is, and we couldn't get more happy about it.
Awesome. Thank you for coming through and picking this thing up off my hands.
Thank you for donating it. That is awesome.
Hey, well, thanks for taking this thing off my hands, and I hope it goes to a good home. And
It's going to a really good home.
you know, you might want to strap that thing in.
We will.